Som's Yatra or rally that has been now stopped by the administration in Sardana in Meerut. Something that, our correspondents there had predicted. This was, expected to happen because the police had denied permission to both BJP MLA Sangeet Som and even the Samajwadi Party, who had organized their own Sadbhavna rally, and they did not get permission to continue with their rally. So Sangeet Som there, what we're getting to hear, has finally been stopped by the administration in Sardana in Meerut. Let's go straight now to India Today's Brijesh Pandey, who in fact a short while back even got a chance to speak to Sangeet Som. Brijesh, just tell us what's happening. Give us the latest news.
Well, Avantika, the rally was stopped near Canal in Sardana because the administration allowed him to march for almost 2.5-3 kilometers, and it was stopped near Canal, where it was told that his rally, if rally further continues, it will pose a problem for law and order. Sangeet Som, as he has been saying since morning, that he will abide by law and order, gave an ultimatum to administration. He said that I'm giving you time of 15 days, and if within 15 days the situation doesn't turn around, if the migration doesn't stop, then again after 15 days we will take to streets, and this time we will not listen to anybody.
Okay, Brijesh, I want you to stay with me. Just stay with me because we have another reaction there, a soundbite from the BJP MLA Sangeet Som. We'll just first listen to that and I'll come back to you in a short bit. What was the purpose of organizing and, carrying out this rally? Because Sangeet Som hasn't really got an endorsement there from his own party. We just heard Keshav Prasad Maurya saying that the message was already sent to him that this rally was absolutely unnecessary. What does he plan to do by, organizing a rally of this kind?
I think, Avantika, the bigger question is that nobody wants to, everybody wants to extract a mileage out of this particular situation which is going on. What was initially, BJP was very gung-ho about the news report which were coming out of Kairana and what this BJP and what this MP from Kairana, Hukum Singh, had said. But once investigation done by administration and then later on by various journalists, clearly revealed that situation was not as ghastly as it was being portrayed out to, and forcing Hukum Singh to make a U-turn in less than 24 hours. And this is because of this. The BJP has been maintaining a steadfast silence on this particular issue. But Sangeet Som, despite being approached by the top leadership and his BJP MP, he feigned ignorance about whether anybody has called him to stop this thing. And he said that, he has not received any call from anybody. He is only listening it from media, and that is the reason why he is going ahead with his Nirbhay Padyatra.
Absolutely. Very interestingly, you were at the National Executive Meet, and that's where the Prime Minister laid out a 7-point code of conduct. We're seeing dissenting voices emerging from the BJP, nothing related to, the Sanyam, Santulan and Samvad that, was the important parts of that 7-point code of conduct that was outlaid by the Prime Minister for his party workers.
Well, Avantika, I think that was more that 7-point agenda sounded more like posturing rather than to be put in practice. And I mean, clearly the conduct of Sangeet Som and various other leaders have very clearly shown that when it comes to politics within the state, they barely pay 2 hoots about what the Prime Minister has said. And time and again we have witnessed several members of parliament taking a line which is absolute contrary to the stand envisaged by senior cabinet minister and Prime Minister as well. If you remember, the MPs like Sakshi Maharaj and various other, be it Yogi Adityanath, they have always struck a note which was contrary, and the party, despite saying that they will take stern action, so far no action has been taken. So I guess this lack of action is only emboldening these stray voices.
No, but we are seeing politics here within the BJP as well, because the BJP MP Hukum Singh also had an bold fast. He did a bold fast. He had a change of heart. He all of a sudden changed the statement. Now, when you have so many people from the party in the state voicing different opinions, one only wonders that who exactly wants to have the piece of the pie.
Well, I think one of the biggest reason why these contrary voices are emerging is, Avantika, that election in all-important Uttar Pradesh is less than 10 months away. And there is no leader wants to be seen as left behind when it comes to core issues like Hindutva. And if you look at the fact that, in 2013, when Muzaffarnagar riots took place in Muzaffarnagar and all, now nobody wants it, the way whole rally and everything has been planned, especially by Sangeet Som. It was a clear 2014 redux. I mean, they wanted to go through the same areas, and the main purpose, irrespective of what they say, was to stir the communal pot in Western UP, because it paid rich dividend in 2014. So there is a section which feels that, it again can be reignited. So this is the reason why, despite the Prime Minister asking for that 7 mantra of Sanyam and all, there is no real practitioner of those 7 mantras within the BJP.
Okay, very quickly, also just, give me an update on the status of the Sadbhavna rally that has been organized by the Samajwadi Party. Okay, we'll go back to Brijesh in just a bit. Okay, we have now, I'm getting a news that Shivpal Yadav right now is also addressing a press conference. Just to give you a quick recap, we know that Sangeet Som's Yatra has been stopped by the administration, and let's just go straight to the PC and see what exactly Mr. Yadav has to say.
अच्छा देखिए, हम मोदी साहब से कह रहे हैं कि जब गुजरात में दंगा हुआ था, गुजरात में दंगा हुआ था, वहाँ कितने लोग पलायन कर गए थे। पहले संगीत सोम और मोदी साहब प्रधानमंत्री जी उन्हें वापस कर दें, करे वापस, पहले उन्हें वापस कर लें। और यहाँ तो किसी ने पलायन किया ही नहीं, नौकरी अपनी रोजी रोटी के लिए गए हैं, रोटी के लिए गए, कहीं पलायन नहीं किया है। लेकिन ये जो तमाशा बनाए हैं, जो पोल खुल जाए, इनकी पोलिंग खोलने के लिए तो हम अपील कर रहे हैं अभी संतोष, इनकी पोल खुलेगी हैं। और जैसे ही चुनाव का माहौल, जैसे ही राजनीति स्वच्छ राजनीति करो, चुनाव उपचुनाव लड़ा था उनका भतीजा, क्या राजनीति से तो लड़ा था चुनाव, चुनाव में हारे और हमारा समाजवादी पार्टी का जीते, नाहिद जीता। अब माहौल बिगाड़ने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। अब चुनाव आ रहा है, इसलिए माहौल बिगाड़ने की कोशिश की जा रही है, लेकिन उस माहौल को हम बिगड़ने नहीं देंगे। देखिए, जो सांप्रदायिक लोग हैं दंगा फैलाने की कोशिश करेंगे। संगीत के बारे में जानते हो, हम अब आपके 1 हफ्ते बाद आपको पूरी रिपोर्ट दे देंगे, पूरी रिपोर्ट दे देंगे, और इन्हें कड़ाई से निपटा जाएगा। दंगाइयों को, सांप्रदायिक लोगों को, नंबर 2 के काम करने वाले लोगों को, नंबर 2 के काम करने वाले लोगों, अब हम कतई बर्दाश्त नहीं करेंगे, कड़ी कार्रवाई करेंगे, इनके खिलाफ बहुत कड़ी कार्रवाई करेंगे। और कहीं पर भी अगर कोशिश की, कहीं पर भी कोशिश की अगर दंगा करने की और इस तरीके का माहौल बिगाड़ने की, चाहे संगीत सोम हो या कोई हो, कोई भी हो, बड़ा से बड़ा आदमी हो, कहीं पर भी दंगा नहीं होने दिया जाएगा।
बीजेपी की एक इकाई है पूरे उत्तर प्रदेश में इस तरह की लिस्ट बनाने के अपने सर्कुलर जारी किया है कि पूरे उत्तर प्रदेश में कैराना की तरह लिस्ट बनाई है, इसको देखते हुए क्या?
देखिए, कहीं पर भी हम सतर्क हैं, हमारी सरकार सतर्क है, और कहीं पर भी अगर इस तरीके का किसी ने भी कोशिश किया तो उसके खिलाफ कड़ी कार्रवाई।
मंत्री जी आपने बात की जमीन कब्जा करने की बात करी, तो ये आरोप से संगीत सोम पे है या हुकुम सर पे भी है?
देखिए, ये हम फिर प्रयास करेंगे, अभी हमें सबूत जुटा लेने दो। अगर आपको कहीं से भी जानकारी है, वैसे तो आप सब में बहुत से लोगों को जानकारी है, हम भी जानकारी करके, और अगली प्रेस होगी, ये लोग क्या करते हैं उसकी पूरी हम यहीं पर जारी कर देंगे।
9 तारीख को पहली लिस्ट जारी की थी और आज हो गए 17 तारीख, इसकी तमाम चीजें हुई हैं, अभी एक FIR तक लाग नहीं हुई है, तो कैसे विश्वास करें कि सरकार कड़ी कार्रवाई करेगी?
देखिए, अभी तक किसी ने पलायन नहीं किया है, और ये कोशिश कर रहे हैं वहाँ पर कुछ न कुछ भड़के लोग और कुछ न कुछ हो जाए, तो उस पर हम रोक लगा रहे हैं, उस पर रोक लगा देंगे।
ये सद्भावना को सद्भावना दिलाने की लगातार कोशिश कर रहे हैं, तो इनके खिलाफ अभी तक FIR तक नहीं हुई, कैसे पता लगे कार्रवाई हुई?
देखिए, हम चाहते हैं कि कहीं पर भी गलत किसी का नाम ना है, उसकी हम जांच कर रहे हैं, तफ्तीश हो रही है, कहीं पर भी किसी का नाम ना है, गलत नाम है। और जो हमने अब यहाँ पर भी इस तरीके का हम ये भी भेज रहे, अभी हमें भेज तो लेने दो संतों को, इनकी भी तो रिपोर्ट आ जाने दो। हाँ, मतलब हम प्रेस कर लेंगे, तुरंत आकर के बुला लेंगे। अरे वो क्या भेजेंगे, गवर्नर साहब रोज प्रचार कर रहे हैं, ऐसे क्या रोज हमारा हेलीकॉप्टर सरकारी ले जा रहा है, क्या
भारतीय जनता पार्टी के नेताओं का कहना है कि अगर आपके पास जांच एजेंसी है तो उनके पास भी CBI है। भारतीय जनता पार्टी के नेताओं का कहना है अगर आपके पास तमाम जांच एजेंसी है तो उनके पास भी CBI है।
तो हम कहाँ प्रयोग कर रहे हैं ना, मैं अपना हम तो संत समाज के लोग संत लोग भेज रहे हैं, संत लोग भेज रहे हैं। ये बिल्कुल किसी पार्टी के नहीं है, किसी पार्टी के नहीं है। और हमारी इंटेलिजेंस सही, बिल्कुल सही रिपोर्ट देगी, उस पर कार्रवाई होगी।
IPS अमिताभ ठाकुर है, वो कैडर बदलने की कहा है कि प्रदेश से बाहर जाएंगे क्योंकि उनको मुलायम जी से और मुख्यमंत्री से जान खतरा है।
तो आपसे भी होगा खतरा, आपसे भी होगा।
It was Shivpal Yadav there from the Samajwadi Party issuing a stern warning to all political parties that strict action will be taken against those who are out there to vitiate the atmosphere in the state of Uttar Pradesh. He, did talk about this being election season, especially next year, and therefore he sees that, he did say that, the party don't see any wrong in anyone, doing anything related to their own party or their party interest, but if there is an attempt by any party to communalize or to vitiate the atmosphere, strict action will be taken against those people. Now, just to give you a little background of what exactly is happening in Kairana, it was Sangeet Som, the BJP MLA, who decided to start his own yatra, and apart from that, even the Samajwadi Party wanted to start their yatra, and because of that, a huge presence of police can be seen in Kairana to ensure that there is no untoward incident in these two areas. Sangeet Som's yatra, in fact, has been named as Nirbhay Yatra, and the Samajwadi Party yatra has been named as the Sadbhavna Yatra. In fact, both the parties are saying that the entire purpose of planning this rally was with the motive of spreading the message of peace, harmony and brotherhood in the state. But the latest news that we now have is that both the rallies have been stopped.